Hey everyone, Hasher from Hashtag and welcome back to my new video. Huawei is ready to start 2020 with a new flagship smartphone in the form of Huawei P40 and the Huawei P40 Pro, but also may include premium Huawei P40 Pro. Earlier I made a many rumors and leaks regarding this smartphone, but today new image is shared by a user on Weibo. It looks like the Huawei P40 Pro could have one of the highest screen to body ratio we have yet seen if this image is accurate or genuine, though the effect is slightly spoiled by a dual lens selfie camera in the top left corner. As so earlier rumor mentioned a large waterfall 6.5-inch OLED screen which will feature a refresh rate of 120 and 2K plus resolution. However, P40 Pro will get its quad curved display from Samsung and LG, but regular P40 will not include this display. This would mean that the phone will use the same waterfall screen seen on Huawei P30 Pro with little bit improvement. Premium Huawei P40 Pro comes with 5 cameras with 24mm primary lens and 10x optical zoom. Moreover, an ultra-wide-angle camera, ToF sensor and normal telephoto lens were included in Huawei P40 Pro. But standard Huawei P40 will have a triple camera setup and Huawei P40 Pro will have a 5x optical zoom and 4 cameras. Also have a 4000 mAh battery and a 50-watt fast charging technology that is developed by Huawei itself, further powered by Kirin 990 SoC with a dual mode 5G. So let me know your thoughts about the Huawei P40 series in the comment box. I will share a new video tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Huawei P40 Pro, and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. Hamushkar from Hashtag.